Hey guys, what's going on? All right, today's the day. Gonna break in my new Green Mountain Grills Daniel Boone pellet smoker. Gonna baptize it with a slab of baby back ribs. Gonna season it up with my Texas Trinity. It's gonna be fun. All right, as always, stick around. All right, after the initial startup, letting it go through its sequence, supposed to let it get to 150 degrees on its own before bumping up the temperature to your desired cook. As you can see, if you can't make it out there, it's at 149, 150. Okay, ran through a little smoke, it's fine, no problem. Gonna go ahead and crank it up now to 250 degrees. And we're gonna let it do its thing. You hear the fan kicking on? Start bumping up temp. Gonna let it get to 250, let it sit for a bit, get nice and hot. Hold that temp for a while and we'll put our ribs on. Really liking this little cooker. All right, guys, our smoker is hit temp. It actually only took about 5 minutes to go from the 150 to 250. That's where it's sitting now. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it. That's the smoker. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with this Texas Trinity. No binder, just straight rub. Didn't pull the membrane off of here either. I was actually looking at it and I don't really even see it much on there. So we're just gonna blop that down a little bit on this side. We'll flip them over. Come back. There's my Trinity. Lock that down. Guys, y'all haven't seen my Trinity or used the Texas Trinity, you need to get you some. Reach out to me. I put a link in my description below on how to get it. It's basically salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. A little onion powder, the garlic powder, a little turbinado sugar. It's some really good rub, and I think you're gonna dig it. Gonna let this sit for just a few minutes. Gonna cover it up. And come back to it and put it on the smoker. Give it about 10 minutes here, and we'll go from there. Cool. All right, guys, change of plans, last minute decision. Gonna go ahead and add a little of the Texas Barbecue Chapter seasoning on these ribs. Why not? I got it. It's good stuff. Gonna go ahead and add a little on there. Only on the top side, not on the bottom. That's it. Good stuff, guys. Let's go. Another 5 minutes and I'll put them on the smoker. All right, guys. Again, last minute change. I kicked the heat up to 275. All right, let's get these ribs on. Got a good color on these. Not too bad, looking good. Squish them together like that. And close it up. Want to wait now and check back here in about, we'll check it in about half an hour. All right, guys, hey, so far this slab of ribs has been on for a little bit over an hour. It's holding steady at 275. It has gotten up to 280, but that's cool. I can deal with that. Pretty much, though, consistent at the 275. I'm going to spray it right now with water, strictly water, nothing crazy, no apple juice or nothing, just water. Gonna spritz them from now on about every 20 minutes or so. Okay, let's take a look and see what they look like. Not too terribly bad. Put a little color on them, looking good. Come back and check on them about 20 minutes. All right, holding at 277, 275, 277. Seeing some slight swings, but nothing I can't live without. That's perfect. Take a look here. It's been 20 minutes since our last go around. Seeing some cracking in there, drying. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Give them a little spritz. Again, this is just water. Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. All right. See that fan shut down. It's going to kick off again. Let's go ahead and get her shut down. All right, guys. We got these ribs off of here. You can see they got a nice color to them. Going to go ahead and wrap them in foil. All I'm going to do is spray a little water in there with them just to help them steam. Okay, going to get these wrapped up. And I'm going to do a loose wrap on them. I don't want them too tight. I want them to steam. All right. I'm going to get them over here on the GMG. Very cool. Very cool, very cool. Bone side down just as they were. Then I'll flip them again in a little while. We'll put them on meat side down. All right. All right, so these ribs have been on for about half an hour. I'm going to go ahead and flip them over in the foil pack. You can see they are got a good color there. There we go. Just gonna flip them just like that. Already getting some good pullback on those bones. Holding good temperature. Again, we're not gonna do a very tight wrap. I'm gonna loosen them so they can kind of steam up in there a little bit. Get back on there. Let it do its thing. All right, guys, it's been another 20 minutes or so since we last checked it. Go ahead and check it now. Got a little more pullback on the beefy side here, meaty side. Go ahead and get it flipped over. Right. Gonna leave that open like that. Don't want to get any of that grease or that juice liquid out of there. Leave it like this, let them firm up a little bit, let them dry up a little bit, and then we'll put some sauce on there. Cool, cool. All right, it's been about 15 minutes since we opened them up. So they dried up a bit. See, still boiling in here a little bit, the sugars from the rub. I've got this honey barbecue glaze. You've seen me use this before. Sucklebusters is really good stuff. You can see I'm almost out. But we're gonna put it on these ribs today. It's a good shine, good flavor. Really good flavor and good color on these ribs. Something like that. I come back with a paper towel, napkin, and fold it over. Just kind of help brush that on a little bit. Really good color on those ribs. You seen that? All right, that's it. We'll let that set, and we'll be good to go. See that color there? Not look pretty? Here's a closer look. Good looking ribs. Good looking rib. All right, I'm gonna close this up and let that set about another 10 minutes. We're good to go. All right, these are out. We're ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them. I'll put the sauce on here. take them over here to the smoker. All right, got them over here. Now, I'm just gonna cover them a little bit. Just let them rest a little before we cut them. I'm outside. There's a few flies around. I don't have any flies getting on my ribs. So, do that like that. Let it sit. A few minutes, and we'll get them off. All right, while we're waiting for the ribs to cool down, we'll go ahead and shut this off. Simple power button. Press it once. Kicks the fan on. Apparently that fan will run for 15 minutes. And then it'll shut itself off. It'll give the code of off, and then you just press the button one more time, and that'll be it. Good cooker. Very impressed with this thing. Very impressed with this thing. All right, ribs are done. Get them off of here. And back over here. Where's my spray bottle? Little trick on there: you spray your board with a little bit of water. As to not smear your sauce. There we go. Put it over here. My finishing knife. Super tender. Knew they would be. That one's about to slide out right there. I'll leave it pretty presentation. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this first one we cut. Yeah, it's a bad smoke ring on there. Who says you can't get a smoke ring on a pellet cooker? Not bad, not very dark, but it's there. All right, get the rest of these cut up and let's do a taste test. All right, hey guys, ribs are done. Sliced up. Got a good smoke ring on there. You see that? Good color. Not bad for a pellet grill, right? Look at that. Tender. Baby backs. That Texas Trinity is money. That Texas barbecue chapter seasonings on there. Can't. Sure that the honey glaze is on there. Right amount of smoke. It's light. It's not heavy. The GMG, bro. GMG. Digging it. It's a good rib, guys. Baby back. Very good. Very tender. Supposed to be. Love it. All right, guys. Hey, pellet cooker. Again, I'm on it. Catch you on the next one. Later.